Hey guys, Alex here with Excel in You. Today let's talk about find, sort, and sheet management to maximize your efficiency.
When you first open Excel, your sheet will automatically be named Sheet 1. This is seen at the bottom left corner of your Excel workbook. To create new sheets for new information, go to the plus button next to Sheet, and you can create as many worksheets as you would like within Excel. To rename a worksheet so you can better identify what data is housed within it, we can right-click on that worksheet, choose Rename, and then type in the new name. We can also double-click on the name of the worksheet to rename it. To copy a worksheet, we have a couple of different options. I can Control-A to copy all, use the down arrow from the corner of the worksheet, copy, and then paste onto a new worksheet. A little faster, I can select the worksheet I want to copy, hold Control, and drag that worksheet to a new location. I now have an exact copy of my data worksheet where I can play around with entering new information, formulas, and other formatting to see if I like it before allowing that to become my main worksheet. If I have worksheets that I no longer need, I can delete them. I will right-click on the name of that worksheet and hit Delete. It will ask me if I want to permanently delete, and I say, OK. To move a worksheet around so that it's in a better location visibly, I can drag the worksheet to a new location, or I can manually go to Move or Copy. This is another way of copying your data, by the way. This will ask me where I want to move the sheet before. So if I want to move data before Sheet 2, I'm going to leave it selected on Sheet 2 and click OK. Now data has simply been moved to a new location. If I want to copy data into a new location manually, I can go to Move or Copy, select my new location. I'm going to choose Move to End, and I'm going to click Create a Copy, and click OK. There's now a copy of my data at the end of the worksheets. If I have a worksheet that I need to keep in my workbook, but I don't want others to be able to see or modify, I'm going to hide that worksheet. I can right-click on the worksheet, choose Hide. It's no longer available to select. I know that it's there because I created it, so when I need to go back and work in that worksheet again, I'm going to right-click on any worksheet that's available and choose Unhide, and then select the worksheet that I want unhidden.
More on this topic and others in comments below.
The Find feature allows us to look up information within our data set quickly and efficiently. I will start by saying I highly recommend using unique identifiers like email addresses, phone numbers, account numbers, licensing information. These are data points that are designed to be unique identifiers, as only one individual, potentially in the world, can have that unique identifying data. To use the Find feature, we're going to come up to Find and Select, choose Find, and we can start entering in the data that we want to search. Alternatively, I can use the quick button, Control F, to bring up that same window. When I start typing in my information here, the more general the information, oftentimes the more data points it will find. For example, the number 123 is utilized multiple places just within my short data set. So when I click Find Next, you'll see in the background, this phone number has been selected for me. If I click Find Next again, we'll see that this account number also has a 123 in it. The name Alex is only used once in my data set. So when I choose Alex and click Find Next, the name Alex is highlighted. When I click Find Next again, there's no other points at which Alex is used, so it will not find anything else. Let's go back to 1, 2, 3 and click Find All. Now I have an additional drop-down within this window that shows me the exact location of every instance where the numbers 1, 2, 3 are used in this format. It shows me the book name, the sheet name, the cell value, which is column followed by the row, D3 in this case, and then the value itself where it found 1, 2, 3. I can close out of this window here. And now let's look at sorting our data. Sometimes sorting your data is a faster way of finding a person or data set that you're looking for. Two common ways to sort your data is alphabetically and numerically. To sort alphabetically, I'm going to choose the column header or the data within that column. Name in this instance. Go to Sort and Filter. I'm given the option of A to Z or Z to A. I choose A to Z, and now all my names are alphabetical, A to Z. I can do this in reverse by going Z to A, and there we go. You'll notice that the rest of the information and the rest of the columns moves with the data that has been organized. So everything for Mary is now in row 3, and everything for Alex is now in row 6. I can also choose to sort numerically by going to my number values here, selecting, and you notice that now it says smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I can click here, and now numerically 1, 2, 3, followed by the blank. I can also sort by date. This will say oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Oldest to newest actually starts with the oldest date, so this would be January here, then February, March, and then May. Newest to oldest starts with the date currently closest to today and works backwards. May, March, February, and January.
Get your free one-on-one strategy